Arturia collection. First of all, I have to say Arturia is not a sponsor of this video, but I wanted to inform about this bundle existing to those who are not familiar with this bundle. All producers have heard Analog Lab at least once. This VST has been made around for several years, but Analog Lab can still be heard in many new musics. So what do you think about 10 Analog Labs with different sounds? This bundle has a large number of plugins for every genre, and it helps you to not open 10 VSTs and finally you don't find the sound you want. I think this is the best bundle I have had so far, which has been worked on all the things you want from a VST. Number of presets, sounds, appearance, and modernity.